faster, he looking at the map also. Okay, bye. I can turn now, okay, bye. Okay, thanks, bye. Eh, Garden by the Bay is PIE Changi Airport, no right? It's towards Tuas, right?
City.
Yeah, city from where?
City from where?
Here.
上其实也上不了。
这边而已。你从这边，从这边出去。
为什么？
跳。
No, not here, huh? Wait, yes or no? Don't let me look. I don't know which PIE. This one PIE, there's one PIE there also. What? Okay, I know where already. Okay. 你从这边转左，我带你去 CTE。这边转左。
有马里斯大路啊？
啊？
马里斯大路。
啊，对。走这边转左，然后走 CTE。Thank you, got it. Thank you. Yes, you go CTE from Balestier. Or if not, also can go CTE. Thank you very much.
Where you going to dismount?
I don't know.
Okay, then go straight. Just go straight down to town.
No wait, I'm going to CTE. Uncle, 你坐 CTE.
Huh?
Yeah, just go CTE.
Yeah. Because the most direct one is just go straight down this road, yes. All the way down to town and then turn right.